Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 4. Today we'll presentation about the production of speech sound. Okay, first I will introduce my members. Namely there are number 1 Fatma Kurniawati and another Awainal Ika and Puji Rahayu Wijaya and me Tasya Sintiya R. Okay, first slide. How can we produce speech? In here have two how can we produce speech. Number 1 is organs of speech. Number 2 place of articulation. Okay, do you know what is organ of speech? If you know, let's know it. Okay, the definition: the various organs of our mouth we use to produce speech sound are called the organs of speech or speech organs. Speech organ or articulators produce the sound of language. Organs used for speech include the lips, teeth, alveolar ridge, hard palate, velum or soft palate, uvula, glottis, and various parts of tongue. They can be divided into two types: passive articulators and active articulators. Okay, next presentation time is yours.
Speech organs have alveolar right, upper lip, lower lip, teeth, hard palate, soft palate, uvula, back, middle dorsum, front blade, tip, apex, and glottis. The lips. The two lips serve for creating different sounds, mainly the labial, bilabial, and labiodental consonant sound, and chews create an important part of speech apparatus. Teeth. Teeth, the upper and the lower teeth, are used to produce a lot of speech sound, especially dental and the labiodental consonant. For example, to produce the lip dental, and the Tbw tip is pushed between the upper and the lower front teeth, and to produce the labiodental, the upper front of teeth are brought into contact with the lower lip. Tbw. The Tbw is the most important articulator in the speech organ. It moves in different ways, in different shapes to produce speech sound. Tbw is divided into 5 parts, namely tip, blade, front, back, and root. Alveolar right. The alveolar right includes the area between the upper front teeth and the hard palate to produce alveolar consonant sound, such as the alveolar right and the blade of Tbw are used. Hard palate, a thin horizontal bony plate of the skull located in the roof of the mouth. The interaction between the Tbw and the hard palate is essential in the formation of certain speech sound, notably.
And the next is we have soft palate or velum. Soft palate or velum is should have holes forming that function during speech to separate the oral cavity, which is mouth, from the nose in order to produce the oral speech sounds. If this separation is incomplete, air escapes through the nose during speech, and the speech is perceived as hips nasal. The uvula. The function in tandem with the back of the throat, the plate and air of and air coming up from the lungs to create a number of guttural and other sounds. In many languages, it's closed to prevent air escape through the nose when making some sounds. Glottis. Combination of vocal folds and space in between the folds as the vocal folds vibrate. The resulting vibration produces a buzzing quality to speech called voice or voicing or pronunciation. Sounds production involving any the glottis is called glottal. Example in the sound of h. And this is the place of articulation. The first is the first is bilabial, and second is labiodental. The third is dental, and the next is alveolar, palatal, barrel, and glottal. Bilabial means only two lips involved. When we produce these sounds, we only use both of our lips. So our both of lips helping to produce bilabial sounds. The English sounds p, b, and m are the bilabial sounds. Example: man for m, Spain for p, bed for b. And the labiodental. Um, the labiodental sounds are articulated by using both the lower lip and the upper front teeth. In, bi, bi, uh, in bilabial sounds, we use both of our lips, but in labiodental, we use only our lower lips and our lower lip and the upper from front teeth to produce sounds. The English sounds f and v are the labiodental sounds. Example like van for v, fan for f. And there is a dental. Dental, to produce the dental sounds, our tongue has to touch the upper teeth. The English sounds is th and the are the dental sounds. Example for the is like thing, and the example for the is like this.
To produce the alveolar sound, our tongue has to get up and touch the alveolus. The area between the upper front teeth and the plates is alveolus. The English sounds T, D, N, S, Z are the alveolar sound. Example: stop, T, D, run, and sweet as zoo, Z, loop. The back part, the tongue, gets the touch palate and produces palatal sounds. In the English, key is the only palatal sound. Example: yet, yes. The back part of our tongue is going up and the touching the soft palate is where the English sounds key, G, E are first sound. Example: king, gets, and ring. Glottal is the place of articulation. In part, we have glot or epiglottis, and this sound is coming from that place. In the English, he is the only girl that sound example happy, hot, heat, hang, and put.
Okay, I think it's enough from group 4. If you still confused or have question, you can write your question or your opinion on WhatsApp group. Okay, the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.